Welcome students for the second video of quadratic equation. Okay, in my last class we have discussed how to calculate the root of a quadratic equation, that is the value of x of a quadratic equation. Now in this class we shall discuss about the properties of quadratic equation. Okay, so first root was I have discussed that first root or the positive root is denoted with alpha and second root is denoted with beta, and first root was minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a, and second root was minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. In the last class in place of b square minus 4ac I have written d also. D means discriminant. Okay, so alpha is equal to this one, beta is equal to this one. So what will be the value of the sum of these two roots? Okay, sum of these two roots means alpha plus beta. I am trying to find out a formula to find out the sum of the root. Sum of the root means alpha plus beta. What will be the formula for that? Okay, so alpha plus beta is the sum of the roots. Alpha plus beta is what? Alpha means this one, minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a, and beta means what? Minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now see, what will be the LCM? 2a, 2a. LCM will be 2a. So 2a divided by 2a is 1 and multiplied by the numerator will be minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac, and minus plus minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac. Now minus and plus will be cancelled, so it will be minus 2b by 2a, 2 cancelled, it is minus b by a. Okay, so now the formula to find the sum of two roots is minus b by a. Okay, you can write it in a box. Alpha plus beta is equal to how much? Minus b by a. Where minus b by a? B means what? Coefficient of x, and a means what? Coefficient of x square. Okay, so sum of the root is minus b by a. Okay, pause the video to note it down. Next, now how to find the product of the roots? That is, if we multiply two roots, that is positive root and negative root. Okay, positive and negative roots. Okay, remember one thing, I am telling positive root and negative. It is not necessary every time the root will be positive and negative. It's not. Maybe two roots will be positive also, maybe two roots will be negative also. It depends upon the discriminant. Okay, now see, what will become? Product of the root. Product of the root means alpha into beta. Alpha into beta is what? First root was minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a into minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now multiply these two, it will be c. If it is a, this will, and if this is b, a, b. So what's the formula here? A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square, means what? Minus b square minus under root b square minus 4ac the square. This is a square minus b square and 2a into 2a is 4a square. 2a into 2a is 4a square. So minus b square means what? Minus minus plus b square. Okay. Now minus root under b square minus 4ac is what? B square and plus minus minus plus 4ac divided by 4a square. B square cancelled. Now this will be 4ac by 4a square. 4 cancel, 1a will be cancelled, and this will be c by a. So product of the roots, that is alpha into beta, will be equal to c by a. C by a means what? C means what? Constant term. This is constant term. This is constant. Ax square plus bx plus c. C, that's c. C is constant term. Okay. In place of c, we have constant terms, and a means coefficient of x square. Okay. So this is actually the product of the two roots. Okay. Now one by one, pause the video to note it down. Okay. One by one, I'll discuss about the properties of roots. Okay, properties of roots. Okay, first one, see. Properties of roots of a quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. If, first condition, if b square minus 4ac, or d you can write, if 4b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then roots are real and equal. Roots are real and equal. Number 2, if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then roots are real and unequal. Unequal or unequal. Okay. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then no real roots. Okay. You have to remember this only. No real roots. That means root will not be real. Imaginary roots will be there. Okay. So these are the properties of the roots. Okay, you have to remember these 3 points. You have to remember this is my first one, second one, and third one. Okay. Now try to solve at least 1 or 2 questions regarding quadratic equation using formula. Okay. Using this formula, suppose, let us do one question. See this question. Solve the quadratic equation. Question is solve for x. Okay. The question is 36 x square minus 12ax plus a square minus b square. A square minus b square is equal to 0. Okay. 36 x square minus 12ax. Okay. 12ax plus a square minus b square is equal to 0. How to solve this equation? Using that formula which we have just calculated or established the formula. What will be the value here? See, a is equal to what? A is equal to coefficient of x square is called a. So a is 36. B is equal to what? B is equal to coefficient of x is b. That is minus 12a. This is b. And c is equal to what? A square minus b square. This is c. What is the formula to find the discriminant? D means what? B square minus 4ac. So b square means what? Minus 12a whole square, b square minus 4 into a means 36 into c means what? A square minus b square. Okay. So 12 is a 144, a square minus what? 4 into 36 you have to multiply. So 4 into 36 is what? 144. Understood? 144 is square and minus minus plus 144 b square. This will be cancelled. So the value of d is 144 b square. Okay. So what will be the value? Pause the video to note it down. Okay. Now, next, we got the value of d. This is actually discriminant d, or b square minus 4ac. The value of b square minus 4ac is this much. Now, one by one, we shall calculate the value of alpha and value of beta. There is a positive root or negative root, whatever. So alpha is, what will be the value of alpha? Alpha is equal to what? Formula is minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay. So minus b. What is the value of minus b? Minus b. What is the value of minus b? Minus b means what? B was coefficient of x. B was minus 12a. Minus b plus minus. This is the value of x actually. When we write plus and minus both, you write x the value. Don't write alpha. Okay, separately I will write alpha and beta. So x is equal to minus b plus minus this much. Minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac was what? 144 b square. 144 b square by 2a. 2 into a. A means what? Coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square was 36. Okay. 2a. Now, this is equal to what? Minus minus plus 12a plus minus square root of 144 b square is what? 12b. 12b by 2a. 36 into 2, that is 72. Now one by one, I calculate the value of alpha and beta. What will be the value of alpha? Alpha is equal to 12a plus 12b by 72. That is 12 common. A plus b by 72. 6. This is a plus b by 6. This is the value of alpha. And value of beta will be 12a minus 12b divided by 72. 12 common again. A minus b by 72. 6. That is a minus b by 6. So these are the two values of alpha and beta we have calculated using the quadratic equation formula. Okay, thank you students. Okay, welcome in the next video of quadratic equation. We shall solve some difficult questions, some simpler questions, okay, in the next video. Thank you very much.